Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your Blink Doorbell is powered, updated, and registered to the Blink app. Tap the device in the app to view status. If firmware shows pending, install it now. Next, make sure your phone is on the same too. 4 GHz Wi-Fi and you know the SSID and password. The doorbell needs that for live view. Once done, open the doorbell device screen in app and prepare to enter live view setup. Don't skip the connection checks. Now enable live view from the device settings inside the Blink app. Find live view and flip the toggle. The app will request camera, microphone, and local network access. Grant those so video streams properly. If your system uses a sync module, confirm it shows online. Otherwise, the doorbell must report connected. Once permissions and connections are in place, start a live view preview. The app will initiate a direct stream and negotiate quality based on signal strength, so expect brief buffering while it stabilizes. Finish by starting live view and testing audio and video. Tap full screen for continuous monitoring when you need it. If the feed doesn't start, reboot the doorbell and your router, then try again. This clears DHCP and NAT hiccups. Make sure signal strength is strong. If not, move the router closer, add a Wi-Fi extender, or use a wired backhaul if available. One key troubleshooting tip: after reboots, recheck app permissions and firmware.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.